Hi guys, welcome to my art channel. Hope you're all doing well today. So I'll show you my first colour, TLP Brulee. This is an interference copper. You can see on the black. And I'm going to be laying that down on my background first. And then this one is TLP Zeus. It's a really deep gold, it's beautiful. TLP Pinwheel, which is a lovely violet blue colour shift. See the blue on the black. And this is TLP Lagoon, and I did add just a small blob, probably a couple of blueberry sized blobs of Pebeo Iridescent Green Blue into it. And this is a mixture of Pebeo Iridescent Blue Black and Atelier Magenta. Just thought I'd mix it up and see what we get, and it's quite a nice colour. It's very similar to Pinwheel, just a little bit darker. I do like to add a couple of tube paints along with my pigments as well. That's why I just added a blob of the tube paint into the lagoon. And then these are my cell activators, Atelier Mars Black and a mixture of Atelier and Amsterdam, 50% of each, titanium white. And both of my cell activators are mixed with Australian Floetrol, no oil, no silicone, nothing else, at approximately 2 to 2.5 parts of Floetrol to the 1 part of paint. And I'm just laying down some Brulee onto my pillow paint, and my pillow paint is just white, normal low sheen house paint, water-based house paint for walls. And I'm doing this because I want to get some iridescence into the background. Doesn't show up as much as it does on black, but I love the effect actually of interference colours on white, because you get a lovely mother of pearl effect. It's really subtle and it makes a gorgeous background, because sometimes you don't want it to fight too much with what you're putting on your foreground. So I'm just swiping with my white cell activator, as I say, because I want it to blend into the background. So just a swirl swipe, just to give me some nice cells. Okay, so you'll be able to tell which colours I'm putting down. So I've gone through all the colours with you. So I'll let you watch and I'll come back to you a bit later.
Got to know you before you faded away. I got to know you, got to love you. Just keep walking down to separate ways. I can show you, escaping your pain now. You break down, you're drained now. Your heart pounds, your lips move, your eyes shine. You lose it all. I know I'm screwed. Ooh, I can hear my own heart breaking. Hear my heart break. Do you hear the sound of my heart breaking over you? Oh, I can hear my own heart breaking. Do you hear the sound of my heart breaking over you? The sound of my heart breaking. If only I could make you change your mind. I'm losing myself in the city sounds. It's over. Is it over now? If only I could make you change your mind. I'm losing myself in the city sounds. It's over. I can hear my own heart breaking. Do you hear the sound of my heart breaking over you?
I think I have a new favourite colour combo. Don't these colours go beautifully together? That left hand side, wow, that's my favourite part. I love that part. Not so keen on the black. I think I made a mistake using the black. I did touch it up a little bit on the left. I used my palette knife and just took a little bit more of the black away. But yeah, I'm not sure about that. But if you like this, please hit the like button. And if you haven't yet subscribed, please consider it. It's free, and then you'll know when I put out a new video. And please share. And any questions, ask in the comment section below. Thanks for being here, guys. Take care. Bye.